Hello, my name is Yash Sanghvi. Today I discuss about web scraping. For that we understand what is web scraping and how it works. So the web scraping is process of extracting data from website. For after that how it works. So for that the first step is select or load a website. So the loaded website, in that the data is make sure the data is publicly. After that we are using HTML phrasal. HTML phrasal used because of any website the front end is used very structured, but it is created by HTML tag. So we are using HTML phrasal. After that the word import request in code. Import request is used, library is used to request to a website that we used. After that the import OS function, OS library we used. Import OS library is used to interactive with operating system. Import beautiful soap, we are using library. So beautiful soap library is used for fetching or pulling out HTML file or XML file. os.path.exist this is a use to check if the folder in a given path is created or not. If a folder is not created, then it was created there. After that the fetch function, here is the fetch function we are using. In that the page number, so if the page number is less than or equal to 0, so it is a show that number of your page must be greater than of 0. So after that we are using a verbose variable. So verbose variable is used to print or fetching current page. So in try, that is a request.get. So request.get is used to request to news web. After that we are using SOP. SOP is equal to beautiful soap. So it is used to HTML phrasal. After that we are using sop.findAll. It is used to find specific tag in our website. After that in with we are using fwrite. In which we are using os.path.join. So os.path.join is using one or more path in a one path. After that we are using f.write. F.write is used to find a specific page and write specific text into file. So here we are using also soup.findAll. It is used to find specific tag. So we are creating a TD rank. So TD rank is like text index number, and TD title is a title of our article. So here in the for loop we are also using f.write. F.write is used for find specific page and write a specific text into file. So these are nothing but find site, find score of a author, that how he score, find time when it was published, and then find author name, and here is write into a file that the rank, what is the rank, what is the article title, what is a source of website, that we are given website link. Here we are f dot write article author. Here we get article author name, article score, that what will be score of article, article post, when it was a post. After that, the accept is used for connection error. So if a connection is not found, then it print connection failed to page. And accept request for request exception, we request exception find, then print some ambiguation request exception occurred in the expression is. After that, the while is you in while we are using try. So in try, the page is equal to integer, like we are entering page -1, so that is not valid. If we add more than 20 number, then it is not valid. So here is required that the number of pages that you want in Hacker News for a maximum up to 20. After that, we using verbose. Verbose is a variable for for acknowledge that fetching a page. So if page is greater than 20, then it will print the maximum page of only 20 can be fetched. After that, there is a break, and after that the value error, that was a print invalid input or probably positive integer. Like we are enter -1, then it will print. So let's run the code. So it will ask to enter the number of pages that you want from the Hacker News. So suppose I write 6 pages. So want you verbose output? Yes. So here is we that print fetching page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After that we have go to into files, and in that the Hacker News, and we have a 6 page of news. In first page, we have a like there is a article number, article title, article website, article author and article score. So like we have given that 15 or 30 article in one page. So in that like we have article number 16. So we have source website, so we can copy and this is a website of Apple we found. So this is about the project. So if you want to this code, guys, it's given below in the description. Always be a learner. Thank you.